Okay, so for our Friday assignment, we're doing this Cómo eres, what are you like? And so you get to describe yourself. Now, you're going to choose 5 different people, like a movie character, politician, sports stars, whoever you want. And you'll copy a photo of that person into the yellow box, like so, and write a profile for each person in the blue box. So for example, I did Gaston. I did his name. Hola, me llamo Gaston. So I'm writing as if I'm Gaston. His height, soy alto, and then 2 other physical characteristics, soy alto, and then atlético y muy fuerte. So 2 more things. Now I'm on to the hair color, length, and texture. Oh, here's another thing I forgot. Soy muy guapo, another characteristic. All right, now tengo pelo negro y largo y liso. Black, long, and straight. Then eyes. And if you can't really tell, you can make it up. I saw it in a different picture. Tengo ojos azules. Now, at least 2 personality traits. Soy competitivo, valiente, y ruidoso. Now, it said at least 2. I went ahead and put 3. And then at least 1 personality trait that they don't have. So here you're going to put no soy. No soy artístico. Okay? So you've got 5 more people you get to do that with. You can do insert, image. I'm going to search the web. And maybe I'll go ahead. I just did Gaston, so now I'll do Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And come on, Belle. Belle cartoon. How's that? All right, I'll just put Weird Belle in here. Insert. Oh boy. So then I have to move it down. Okay. So I'll just go through the same things. Hola, me llamo Belle. Soy baja y she's not athletic. So I'll write other descriptions for her. And that's how it goes.